Hi, my name is David. Today we're going to do a jQuery tutorial on freeCodeCamp. And we're going to learn how to target the children element using jQuery. So just like parent, parentheses is a function in jQuery where you can target the parent. We have children, parentheses, that is a function that access the children. And we can see this is the syntax of it. We select you use the selector and do dot children, and then we can do whatever we want with it. So for this example, it wants us to give all the children of your right well element the color orange. So let's look at this first. Right well ID. So we see here it has all these target 4, 5, 6. I think they got mixed up around there. But we can affect all of this, all these buttons using this method, children. So let's do it. So we do $, parentheses, quotations, hashtag, right well, and we do dot children, parentheses, and we do dot CSS color, and then orange. And then this has to be in quotations. And we see all that the text well becomes orange within that right well, and semicolon to close it out. And that's all for this one. Thank you so much.